Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Productivity Bloom. I hope you all are doing great. We often hear about artificial intelligence these days, and one of the big thing in AI world is ChatGPT. But what is ChatGPT exactly? That's what we will find out today. Today we are talking about ChatGPT, a smart computer program that can talk with you as your friend, teacher or co-worker. In this video, we will cover what is ChatGPT, how to use it, is it free or paid, how it helps you create content, and how to get answers from it. Let's get started. First, let's explain what is ChatGPT. It's like a robot friend that talks like a person. It understands your questions and give you answers or help you with writing. Now, let's see how to use ChatGPT. To use it, you need to go to the OpenAI website and make an account. If you don't have one, just create it. Then log in and you can start chatting with ChatGPT. Is the ChatGPT free or paid? You can use it for free, but there is also a paid plan called ChatGPT Plus. This plan makes ChatGPT work faster and lets you use it even when many people are using it at the same time. Now, let's talk about how to use ChatGPT to create content. You can create content or any writing stuff by giving prompts. You just write a simple and short question, and ChatGPT will try its best to answer. The better your question, the better the answer. Like I type, write 10 effective ways to concentrate better. See, ChatGPT has given the answers very fast and accurate. Like this, you can use the ChatGPT for various use cases. One more thing, does ChatGPT always give correct answer? ChatGPT is a software and it has been designed so intelligently to give intelligent and accurate answers. However, human intelligence is also required to recheck the answers we get from a machine. So always read the answers given by ChatGPT before doing copy paste. In our next video, we will discuss how to give prompts to ChatGPT for different use cases. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to stay updated. If you have questions or ideas for future videos, put them in the comments. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.